Hello guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, and in today's video tutorial we're going to learn about Dunder method, also called as magic method. And in the end of this tutorial we're going to see how to implement C++ kind of cout functionality in Python, right? So particularly, let's get familiar with what is Dunder method. So Dunder method are those methods which are used to achieve special kind of functionalities in object oriented programming, from which I mean like getting the length of the object, getting the string representation of the object, or adding two class objects, or getting whether two class objects are equal or not. So all these kinds of functionalities can be achieved using Dunder methods. So let's define a class first. Class fruit, F should be capital, right? And here I'm defining a Dunder init method. Why I'm calling Dunder init method? Because there is a special representation for Dunder init, that is these two underscore in the prefix and suffix part, that will define a Dunder method. Name, price, and a number, right? And also I'll be self dot name. So self here is the reference of the instance of the object, right? And it binds with all the attributes and methods and can be used to access those for that particular instance. Price self dot number equals to number, right? And we'll be defining second Dunder method, that is string representation, str. So string representation of that particular object, right? And for that we'll be returning f. This is a self dot name fruit. If it is name is given as mango, then it will print this is mango fruit, right? Then the len, here it would be will be returning just the number of fruits of that particular type. Second would be the uh, equal Dunder method. So it will be taking two objects. One is self and another one is other. So we'll be just comparing these two and we'll be returning if they are true, if they are equal. So, and we'll be comparing on the basis of price, other dot price, right? And the last one we are gonna see is add method. So it also will take two objects and we'll just add the prices of both the objects, right? So this is our fruit class. Let's define two objects, fruit, fruit, and here it be mango, and the price would be 40 and count would be 5. B fruit would be apple, and price would be 60, count would be 3, right? So if I just see the string representation of A, then it would be this is a mango fruit, and or the string representation of B, it would be this is apple fruit, right? If I just get the length of A, then it would give me 5, that is the number of mango fruits. Length of B would be 3, right? And if I just check whether A double equals to B, are they equal, it will be giving false because these are different on the basis of price. But what if it is also 40, right? Then as you can see it will be returning true. Now I'll be checking getting the addition of both these. It would be 80 because 40 the price addition is here, right? So these are all the Dunder or magic method which are commonly used in object oriented programming and machine learning, especially these are the common Dunder methods, right? Now as I said, we're going to discuss about the C++ cout kind of functionality, how we can implement that in Python. So for that there is a special kind of class we're going to use is ostream, right? And in that we have a Dunder L shift method, right? Self dot other, it's object, it's a kind, it's object can be of anything. Like if we do cout, see what we want here is if we do cout of hello, then in C++ this hello will print out, right? So it's also object. Every string, integer, all these things are object, right? um, I can show you this, like if there is a st is a string of hello, and if I just print type of st, then you can see it's a class and it's a object of this str class, right? So now we just print other and space there, and we'll be returning self again. So as if it is returned, it is like hello Parikshit, and it will be like that, right? So now I need to define an object for this class. Cout would be the object name for stream, strem, right? Now let's do cout hello, sorry, it should be other hello, right? And if I do here Parikshit, it will be hello Parikshit, right? So this is the way we can implement the C++ kind of cout functionality in Python. So that's all about Dunder and magic methods. I hope you understand about these special kind of functions which show different kind of functionalities in Python. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much.